Synapse. Today we'll discuss synapse. In nervous system, a synapse is a structure that permits a neuron or nerve cell to pass an electrical or chemical signal to another neuron. Kajal proposed that neurons are not continuous throughout the body, yet still communicate with each other, an idea known as the neuron doctrine. When we see the history of synapse, the word synapse came from Greek meaning conjunction, which was introduced in 1897 by the English neurophysiologist Charles Sherrington. The Charles Sherrington introduced this term word synapse. When we say the synapse, it is a site where action potential travels across 20 to 40 nanometer wide gap separating one neuron from another. That means it is a communication between neurons with modification of information. When we see the signal transmission, either in nerve fibers or from one neuron to another neuron. When we compare the signal transmission in nerve fibers, it is very fast. While from one neuron to another, it is slower. In nerve fiber, it is very fast in the form of action potential. Secondly, it is unidirectional and it follows all or none response. While from one neuron to another, it is slow. Here synapse chemical form. Graded response is observed here and it is summated activity. There is a variation in the field of response also. When we see the effector organs and effects, neuron, there is a change in membrane potential. Muscle, there is observed contraction, while in gland, there is secretion. When we see the main parts of synapse, there are basically three parts: presynaptic neuron, postsynaptic neuron, and synaptic cleft that is seen in between these two neurons or neuronal membrane. When we consider what is the role of synapse, concern or in memory, it is widely accepted that the synapse plays a role in the formation of memory. As neurotransmitters activate receptors across the synaptic cleft, the connection between the two neurons is strengthened when both neurons are active at the same time as a result of the receptor's signaling mechanism. The strength of these two connected neuron or neural pathway is thought to result in the storage of information which resulting in memory. This process of synaptic strengthening is known as long-term potentiation. That means synapse plays an important role in memory formation. And this process of synaptic strengthening is known as long-term potentiation.